Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a St. Patrick's Day makeup, kind of not makeup though, because you're gonna see what I'm gonna do. But the eye part is definitely something that you can try at home. The rest of it, maybe if you're feeling a little wild, you can do that, but I don't know. No, I am not Irish. No, I have nothing to do with St. Patrick's Day, but I thought if anybody who's out there who wants to wear St. Patrick's Day makeup, maybe they'll stumble upon my video and they can try to do it themselves. So let's get right into this video. So as you can see, my eyebrows are already on. I didn't clean them up, I just put them on because it would be a lot easier. We're gonna start with my eyes. Let me prime my face. I already moisturized my face. Well, let me zoom you in. I've been trying to film this video for like 5 days, but I was like breaking out. So I was trying to make my breakouts go away as much as I can before I filmed. Because like nobody wants to see that. So I'm gonna be one more time. I'm gonna use the Benefit Professional Primer. I'm gonna put that all in my problem areas. And then the rest is gonna go over my face. Let me clip my hair back. So now we're gonna start with my eyes. We're gonna be using the Shape Tape Concealer by Tarte in the shade Light Medium. Put that on your lid. Pick up a brush to blend it out. We're going to be using the Morphe 35B palette, and we're going to use all these greens. Literally the green that's in here, and then these yellows. So I'm just gonna kind of, I don't even know what I'm doing yet, actually, to be honest with you. But I mean, like, when do I ever? I wanted to do almost like a light to like a dark. Do you think that's a good idea? Me too. Okay, what should I use first? I'm gonna be using this Morphe brush. You see that? I hope you can see that. And I'm gonna start. So here's my thing. Do I want to go full green or do I want to put yellow? Then regular green and then dark green. And then maybe I can do yellow for like the crease. Alright, we're gonna do the crease first and we're gonna do that yellow. We're gonna use this Sigma Diffused Crease Brush. And we're gonna grab the yellow. I'm actually gonna grab both of these. I'm gonna mix them. Why not? I'm gonna put that right above my crease. Moving it out a little bit. I'm gonna do one eye at a time. Just gonna take this. Is there a name on it? There's no name on it. I'm just gonna use it to buff out those edges. Okay, well, let me tell this on camera. This one, but this is not a matte shade. What do I do? I'm 8 minutes in and all I did was put the yellow. Good job, Helena.
This one and I put this one over it, and then I put this one in the middle, and then I put this one towards the end. Or what if I just do 2 shades instead of 3? So if I just do this one, and then I do this one, and I maybe put that one in the center. That sounds like a plan. We're gonna do that.
What did I just say? So this green in the inner corner. I'm just gonna pack that. Oh. I wanted to cut my crease. No, it's not too late. We're gonna cut my crease. Using the same thing, Tarte Shape Tape, Light Medium. So I'm actually gonna use this, it's a lip brush by Real Techniques. I think it'll be nice because
brush.
I scared myself. Why do I have blue on my finger? What the heck? Okay, so the only reason why I did that is so when I'm putting my shadow, I know where to put it. Now we're gonna go in with the green. We're gonna use this Luxie brush. It's a small shader brush. Just because it'll be easier to press it down on my eye. So on the other side of this same Luxie brush, I'm gonna go in with this really dark green right here. I'm gonna take this Morphe brush, it's also a short shader brush. I'm just gonna blend that. I go back in with the yellow. So I'm gonna do my other eye off camera, and then I will be back. Alright, so I am back. The other eye is on, lashes are on. So now we're gonna move on to my face. And my lashes are the Ardell Demi Wispies. So what the plan is to make half of this face, half of my face, a rainbow with some gold, and then this half is just gonna be regular. So what I'm gonna do is take some white eyeliner. Let me just use the eyebrow pencil because that'll be easier. I'm just gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz and draw it on my face. So I'm going to do my foundation. I'm going to be using L'Oreal True Match Foundation in the shade N4. I got my green beauty blender. My dog loves to bark when I'm filming. Just so you know. Now we're going to conceal these bags. I'm going to use a brush at first. I'm going to use the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Okay, and now we're going to contour just a little bit. I'm going to use this Luxie Precision Foundation brush, and I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. And now is the fun part. We're gonna make a rainbow on my face. I'm going to use the Snazaroo face paint palette as per usual. We're gonna get some water and wet it. A good mix. And this is just a dollar brush, not anything special. Then we're gonna go in with orange. Ooh. Ooh. I keep spilling it on myself. See that? Alright, so I'm gonna finish the rest of my face, and then when I finish this, I will be right back. I'm just gonna do the blue and the purple, and I'll be back. So what I'm gonna do is take glitter glue, actually glitter primer, but I mean same difference. First, I'm gonna use this NYX body glitter just for a base. Honestly, I'm probably just better off doing that. Now what you're gonna do is I have this whole box of like glitter, and I have these like old chunky pieces. I don't know if they're gonna stick. Alright, I'm gonna finish doing this glitter. Alright, you guys kind of get the idea. And my battery's almost dead. Oh, just the light came on. Alright, so I'm gonna finish this, and then I'll be back. I'm gonna charge my camera. Well, that's pretty much done. All I have left to do is my under eye. I'm gonna mix this green and this yellow. I'm gonna use this Morphe brush. Take my hair down. Alright, so I am done. This is the completed look. I think it came out. Oh my god, I'm getting so annoyed. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. My mouth looks so weird when I'm talking. I actually think it came out pretty good. It came out pretty much how I imagined. I think it's fun. I think it's fresh. I think it's definitely St. Patrick's Day. And that's all I got to say about it.
Okay, so I'm recording this on my iPhone because I don't want to put my camera back on, but I'm so dumb. I literally forgot about all of this right here. So this video is actually not done. So I need to put my camera somewhere so you can see what I'm doing. Oh, you can see my backdrop, that's okay. So I need to take some foundation, just stick it in here. This is quality right now. Let me drip. Oh my god, it's dripping everywhere but on my face. Okay. Oh my god. Can't wait to put this in. Okay, now this is the completed look.
But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more funky videos like this, please make sure to give this video a big old thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you never miss a post. And I think that's all I got for you today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!